Hey friends, thank you for stopping by my channel. First things first, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you'll know when I upload new content and you can come here and take a listen. I attempted to make fudge. I have a sweet tooth, I must confess. I decided to make fudge and thought that I would record it to show anyone who's interested how to make fudge. I'm not an expert. I've tried this many times, and every single time I try it, it comes out really lousy. So I tried the best that I could and it came out pretty decent. Hopefully if you tried it, you'll have just as much success. This is how mine looks. Hopefully yours looks just as good or even better, and mine tasted quite delicious. You will need 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1.5 cups of sugar, some vanilla extract, and optional would be either nuts or a touch of nutmeg. You'll need a nice clean non-stick pan, a wooden spoon, and a greased pan to put the fudge on once you're done and it's ready for pouring. First, you'd add all the ingredients into the pot that's on a low fire: the sugar, the butter, the evaporated milk, a touch of nutmeg and vanilla extract, and stir it on medium heat for about 20 minutes.
I told you you can't use my pots, right? Girl, you burned all the pot.
This was the best pot, so what can I say? Did you hear that threat and accusation? Making fudge is a lot of work. It's a lot of handwork. You have to just keep stirring, and it's important for you to have the fire regulated so that it doesn't burn. And as you keep stirring, as the time goes by, over the next 20 minutes, you'll see that the consistency changes. "20 minutes is about right for it to get to the consistency that you'd like. Just about 20 to 22 minutes. So if it's helpful, just put that on a timer so that you're aware of how the time is going. Just keep stirring. Make sure that you take it off the sides of the pot. You have to keep stirring so that it doesn't stick. Make sure that you have a medium fire because you don't want this to burn. At just about 22 minutes, you'll notice that it's coming off the sides. It's ready to come off of the stove. Lower the fire, put it on a very low heat, stir it for another minute or so. Turn off the fire and continue to stir your fudge for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing it to cool. I stirred mine for about 5 minutes, which was a little too long. It cooled and it began to solidify in the pot. When I poured it out onto my greased baking sheet, it was already getting hard, which I was very excited about because I'm telling you, I've made fudge a million times and it never gets hard. While I was excited, I kept it on a little too long, so I know for next time I'll limit it to about 3 minutes, 4 at the most. Put a little bit of butter on top, smooth the top, cut it into nice squares, and you're ready to eat. This is one of the things I absolutely enjoy eating, and I've been trying to master making it. As you can see, I'm getting there. Hopefully you'll be able to have just as much luck, if not better. 2 to 3 minutes of stirring the fudge once it's off of the flame should be perfect. I stirred mine for a little too long, about 4 or 5 minutes, which affected the consistency. It wasn't as smooth as I wanted it to be, but that didn't affect the taste. Once you pour the fudge out onto your sheet that you've got ready and waiting, make sure to allow it to cool before you start cutting it. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my fudge making video. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care of yourself and I'll see you next time. This is Anya saying bye now.